Alright, today we're gonna add vectors with magnitude and direction to make a component. Alright, so it looks like we've got a magnitude of 8 and a direction angle of 320. Okay, alright. Then we got a magnitude of 6 and an angle of 100 degrees. So what I'd like you to do in the old calculator is find the x component and the y component with me. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the 8, you're going to put the cosine of 320 to get your x component, and then you're going to take 8 sine 320 to get your y component. Yeah. Remember, this is the shortcut we talked about yesterday? So, by the way, I'm not going to be doing a whole bunch of drawings today. I'm just going to be doing the shortcut. If you want to see drawings, you're watching the wrong video. What do I do here? 6. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I like it. Now, would you guys agree that we want to take these babies and add them together? Yeah, we're going to combine them. It says what? What is vector W? What? Plus vector V, right? V plus vector W. Now it says it's okay to round your intermediate calculations and final answer to the nearest hundredth. You know what I'm not going to do? I'm not going to be rounding, yes? Degree mode, yes. We need to be in degree mode. Now watch this. You guys ready? See if you guys like this. Some of you are like, I like it. Some of you are like, what? Check this out. All right, help me out. You guys ready? 8 cosine 320 plus 6 cosine 100. What did I just do right there? I took my what? Took my x components, and what am I doing with them? Heck yeah, we're adding them together. Can you guys put 5.09? 5.09? So right here I'm going to put 5.09 because it says rounded to the nearest hundred. Now they said it's okay to round your intermediate calculations, but I'm not. I'm just adding them all together at once. So what am I going to add together over here? 8 sine 320 plus 6 sine 100. 6, oh wait, sorry. 8 sine 320 plus 6 sine 100. There we go. What does it give us? 0.766. So what am I going to do? 0.767 because that rounds. Everybody see how that? If I have to round to the nearest. Oh wait, no wait, never mind. Nearest hundred. I was doing thousands. Nearest hundred. 0.77. My apologies. 0.77. So there you go. 0.77. If you're hearing thumping in the background, that's people working outside my door. It's not me. See if this works. Please work 5.09.77. One of my students already needs help, but I'm not going to help him because I'm too busy working over here. 5.09.77. I do help my students, if you're wondering. I do really do, but we go over stuff together, then I help them. Okay, so we're going to go over stuff together, then I help. So sometimes students, sometimes they nod off during class. No, I don't think they're assigned twice, because the other one is this. But we're not. We haven't gotten there. We're doing this. Okay. So add vectors. So right now, it says the magnitude and direction are given in the form of. Ooh, this is interesting. Check this out, guys. We've got r is the magnitude and theta is the degree. So what is vector v? What's the magnitude? 8. What's theta? 20. What's the magnitude? 5. What's theta? 40. So don't be confused. All right, we're going to do the same thing we just did. You guys ready? For vector v, I'm going to put 8 cosine 20. 8 sine 20. Okay? And over here, for the other one, what am I going to put? 5 cosine 240 and 5 sine 240. And when I find these, what am I going to do in the calculator? I'm simply going to, what am I going to add together in the calculator? I'm adding these together in the calculator, and I'm adding these together in the calculator. And what does that give me? Both of my components. So I'll just do this. I'll just do one more, and that should be enough, I think, to help. I shouldn't have to do more than that. You guys ready? Let's do it. 8 cosine 20 plus, what was our other one? 5 cosine 240. That gives us 5.02. So I'm going to put right here 5.02. I'm going to go over here and put 8 sine 20 and 5 sine 240. 8 sine 20 plus 5 sine 240. Press enter. Negative 1.59. Negative 1.59. Make sure I'm rounding it correctly. Looks like I am. Sine goes with sine. Cosine goes with cosine. Yeah, okay, there we go. That's our answer. Those are our components. That's the x component and that's the y component. Because what are we doing with the vectors? We're adding them together. I'm going to do one more. I'll look at the next one. I think all of them are adding. I think you're just adding. I don't think you have to subtract. Okay. So 5.02 negative 1.59. 5.02 and negative 1.59. Woohoo! Sweet. Ooh, okay. So we got a little graph. All right. So I'm going to do this one in blue, and then I'll do this one in magenta here. Okay. Does everybody see the blue is 5? And what's theta for blue? What do you guys think theta is for the blue? Like how far did it travel? 170. So for the blue component, for the x component, you're going to put 5 cosine 170 and then 5 sine 170. For the magenta, or W, vector W, our magnitude is 8. I'm going to put cosine, I'm going to put sine. And what number, what's my theta for W? How far does it go? All the way around to what? 300. So I put 300. All right. And because it says what are we doing? It says we need to do what with them? Add them together. That we can just trust that we just need to add them together. So I'll put my answer in orange down here. So I'll do one more. I'll add them together. 5 cosine 170. Clear all that up. 5 cosine 170 plus 8 cosine 300. And boom, you got your answer. Negative 0.92. Negative 0.92. Then 5 sine 170, 8 sine 300. 5 sine 170, 8 sine 300. Negative 6.06. We got to round that. negative 6.06. All right, I'm going to go type those in. All right, negative 0.92, negative 6.06. Negative 0.92, negative 6.06. Because it says nearest hundredth, so yes, I'm still keeping everything to the nearest hundredth. All right, I think that's it. All right. All right, so that's basically all you got to do on this one. Not too bad. Just make sure you use the correct magnitude and the correct angle, and it basically is the same pattern over and over. The next one we're going to be dealing with magnitude. This one we're just dealing with what? Just dealing with what? The components. Next one we'll be dealing with magnitude.